Alright, hello everyone from the GMC. As you can see, I'm using Gamer 8.1. This is going to show you what I tried, because I really don't want to type this out. It's pretty complex. So, the way this works is, so I have this object, which is following this path, and as you can see, the path takes it across these gray stars, and the gray stars, and the variable RB is set to 0, and I have it draw that variable just for testing purposes. But those gray stars are this object random 2. So it sets variable a and b to 0. So when this hits it, this is for the first time. It will set variable a to 1, and then it sets. So then in the step event, if the a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1, then it's going to set b to 1 and alarm to 5. That way it starts this whole thing, but it doesn't continue looping after this has already been hit. So that's for that. And then under the alarms where it all happens. So the way this works, I can actually take this outside of the block. Maybe that will solve my problem. We'll see. So it's checking to see if RB is equal to 0. If it is, then it's going to create a completely random object. In here I have all my red shapes, and in here I have all my blue shapes. And then, so if the RB is equal to 0 for our object change, which is the moving one, then it's going to do 1 out of 2. It's going to create one of these and set RB to 2. If it doesn't do this, then it's going to create a red shape, and we'll set RB to 1. Did I do that backwards? No, I didn't. Wait. Okay, that's right. That's a B, not an R. My eyes were going crazy. So yeah, so if it does this one, it sets it to 2. Does this one, it sets it to 1. So this only happens the first time. Everything in this block here only happens the first time, because then RB is no longer 0. So if RB is 1, it's going to create a red object and change it to 2. And then if the RB is equal to 2, it's going to create a blue object and set it to 1. So then, of course, it's going to do this one, and it's going to alternate between the two, and each time it's going to destroy itself, once all this happens. Which maybe I should put the destroy first, I don't know, but let me show you what's happening with it. I've got everything visible so you can see the physics in motion here, the mechanics. So, as you can see here, it's not alternating. And if it did alternate, it would kind of look funny, but it would be even. And I'd be happy with that, but it's not. As you can see over here, the RB, how it changes. But it looks like it's going over more than one shape. Let me check something really quickly. This should be, it's visible. Is it -1? Yeah, let me set this to -1 so that it will be on top of everything and we can see it better. And maybe that will give me an idea. But, okay, then was it positive? Sorry, I'm really terrible at +1. It is visible. It's obviously see a red dot there. Let's hit it again and see. Oh, oh, okay. That, uh, uh, I think I fixed it. I don't use draw very often. Yes, I did. So, looks weird. Here it's working. And then there it goes a little funny because of the way it moves around the path and maybe touches multiple ones. And as you can see, this system doesn't work, so I ultimately like a better one, where it's not just red, then blue, then red, then blue, then red, then blue. It's actually all random, but there is an even number of both. So, and just to humor you guys, so it's not too boring, let's do this. Oh, I forgot. I got rid of my... Wait, why is it... And why did that one reappear? My controller object's not here, so I guess I'm not really humoring you here. Here's the good room. The room that actually works. That's not the same level style. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to help me, and see you guys later.